Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage passive income with Crowdstreet, complete guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Crowdstreet website and create an account. Fill in your personal information, ensuring accuracy for verification purposes. Next, complete any required identity verification steps. Once your account is set up, log in to explore the platform's features. Familiarize yourself with the available investment opportunities by browsing the listings. Make use of filters to narrow down your investment preferences based on your goals and risk tolerance. Read through the detailed project descriptions, which include financial projections and management teams. Pay close attention to the sponsor's track record, as past performance can indicate future results. Before investing, consider your overall financial strategy and how these opportunities fit into it. Once you've identified a suitable investment, review the minimum investment amount. If you're ready to proceed, click on the investment opportunity for further details. Confirm any associated fees and the expected timeline for returns. When you're satisfied, select the option to invest in that project. Follow the prompts to facilitate funding, which may include linking your bank account. Take note of any documents that require your electronic signature. After funding your investment, you will receive confirmation via email. Regularly check the performance of your investment through your Crowdstreet dashboard. Utilize the built-in tools for tracking returns and distributions. Engage with investment updates that sponsors provide to stay informed about project progress. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio by exploring additional opportunities on the platform. Continue to educate yourself about market trends and real estate strategies. As your passive income grows, reassess your investment goals regularly to ensure alignment. With diligence and informed decision-making, you can effectively manage your passive income using Crowdstreet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.